and thank you for joining me for Ask Gardener Lynn. Gardening can be a bit tricky sometimes, and just a little bit of help can turn a troubled garden around. So our question today comes from Lisa. She lives in Zone 9, and her question is, what's the name of the group that will help us to find bulk organic compost or soils in my area? So we've talked about this a few times before, and the name of the group is the Compost Council. So it's compostcouncil.org, and you can look them up on the web. And this is a really great site to locate good quality compost for your garden. And if you can't find a compost producer near you from their website, then the next best thing to do is to look up the organic growers in your area and ask them if they sell compost or know of a reliable source. To find the local organic growers in your area, go ahead and go to Local Harvest. Their website is localharvest.org, and you can look up your area, and from there you can find the local organic growers. You can contact them, and they are either making or buying compost to run their farms, so they know where the really good stuff is. Alright, so now you know where you can find some good compost. And if you guys have a garden question you would like answered, please click on the link below this video and go ahead and submit your question. And if you would like to learn more about high-performance gardening and want to see us grow a whole season of vegetables week by week for 33 weeks, then go ahead and sign up for the High Performance Garden Show. So in the show, we follow a high-performance garden from seed to putting it to bed at the end of the season. And this is the best insider's look at watching everything that we do week by week with the vegetable plants all season long. We'll even show you a professional trellising system for your garden. So the show, it's free, it's online, and you can watch it anytime. You want to go to thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show, and you can sign up or click the link below. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more high-performance gardening information, and go ahead and submit your garden questions so you can get the answers that you need. Until next time, may your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.